Well, welcome to the beginning of my little garden here. It's definitely strange looking, but the tomatoes that I planted, the slices, have finally started sprouting. Um, Surprisingly, despite the issues I had, they are coming to life, so that's exciting. You can still see there's a little mold on them, but I let them get too moist, then I let them dry out, and then I let them get too moist again, and now I think I have the moisture just about right. The next problem is, though, how do I split these up? So I have a feeling once they get to the point where I can start taking them out and doing stuff with them, there's going to be a bunch of them that just get cold, and they're not going to be tomato plants anymore. But I also just started some seeds. There's some Roma tomato seeds in between these paper towel layers. And I got it moist with this cover, just sitting loosely over it. I forget, I did cut holes in this, right? Yeah. So we'll see if those sprout, doing it the more traditional way. And then in this ice cream bucket, I have very improperly planted carrot seeds. I kind of have them scattered out all over the place. I think they're supposed to be like 12 inches apart in rows. But yeah. And these are my aloe vera plants. I'm trying to think which ones I originally started with. I think I started with these two from a friend, but they were like this size. And they have little babies that I've been splitting off and separating. And I think given enough time here, I'm actually going to start selling them. And the interesting thing is, the most expensive part is going to be the potting soil, because I have fancy potting soil that everything's growing in. I need to buy more of it. But I realized I can use a bunch of old containers and stuff to plant them in. There might be a little bit too much water there. So I think once I start splitting some of these off, I'm going to transfer them into random food containers and then seeing what I can get for them. They look really nice and happy. Some of their lower leaves, these leaves actually aren't too happy, but I think I've been neglecting the watering. Plus it's starting to get nice out finally, so yay. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Seems aloe vera plants will actually grow if you give them sunlight and water and don't throw them in your basement. I killed about 4 of them, probably about a little bigger than these. I didn't know what to do with them. They got cold out and they got put in the basement and then they died. Oh man. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I need to get some more soil, and I got some spinach I'm going to be planting as well in a big pot. But hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.